Hello everyone, my topic is artificial intelligence in cybersecurity. So the table of contents is first abstract, then introduction, then literature review, then conclusion. So abstract, artificial intelligence or AI is intelligence shown by a machine. It is a capability of a computer's program or the machine to support and learn. They present many advantages in other areas, and cybersecurity being one of in all them. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending computers, weight persons, mobile bias, and electronic system networks and data from attacks. The purpose of this study to present advances made far within the field of applying AI techniques in for fighting against cyber crimes, as well as it gives the scope for the future works. Then introduction. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasing role in the research of management science and operational research areas. Um, Shortly, intelligence machine will replace human capability in many areas. AI technology have matured to the purpose of offering real practical benefits in many of their applications. With advances in the information technology, criminals are using cyberspace to commit numerous cyber crimes, and these cyber defense system need to be flexible, adaptable, and robust and able to detect a wide variety of threats and make intelligent, real-time decisions. There were times when only educated specialists would commit cyber crimes, but today, with the expansion of web, almost anyone can access to the knowledge and tools for committing these crimes. And conventional fixed algorithms have become inefficient against fighting dynamically evolving cyber attacks. Numerous computing methods of AI are increasingly playing a crucial role in the cybercrime detection and prevention. AI techniques seems very promising area of research that focus on improving the safety measures for the cyberspace. Then the problem statement. The main problem that this paper will try to solve is to analyze how artificial intelligence works in cybersecurity. So the literature review. First topic is advantages of AI in cybersecurity. This this paper tells about AI containing many of advanced and used in several fields. One among is cyber security. AI and machine learning will assist keep up the cyber criminals, automating threats detection and responding a many are more efficiently than Asian software system or human driven ways. Then identifying the emerging trends. This author tells AI artificial intelligence also used to determine cyber risk and harmful activities, because traditional software systems are unable to maintaining a large volume of recent viruses generated each week. AI systems are designed to spot malware, perform predictive modeling, and even a small amount of compact malicious software system or ransomware assault before coming into our system. By utilizing advanced algorithms, AI-based security solutions are capable of delivering the most recent data concerning international and industrial hazards. Then better endpoint protection. This author Das Gupta tells the number of remote working devices are speedily growing, and AI will facilitate security. Antivirus software and the virtual personal network, that is VPN, could assist shield with remote malware and virus assaults, but they regularly admit signatures. This means it is essential to follow the definition of signature to stay safe against recent threats. If a unique malware attack is discovered, signature protection is also unable to defend against it. AI-driven endpoint security takes a replacement approach by a perennial coaching procedure by making the foundation of behavior for the terminus. If something out of the standard happens, AI will observe it and take appropriate actions like notifying the technician to secure position once the malware attacks. This offers proactive threat prevention instead of expecting signature updates. Then application of AI intelligence in cyber security. This author tells artificial intelligence in cyber security could be a widespread subject within the info security sectors. Private area organization and companies have as of now sent AI frameworks because AI can set aside time and cash by going through the organized information rapidly. Artificial intelligence can sit back and gather information and trust the programmer. It will it get muddled? Artificial intelligence search for the social anomalies that hackers will undoubtedly show. For example, how a password how a password is composed or where the client is signing in. Artificial intelligence can recognize these little signs. All of the more significantly, it likewise can fill another weapon for cyber criminals who utilize the technology to use and work on their cyber attacks. Then, how artificial intelligence is trained for cyber security. This author says cyber criminals leave a digital trace after they try or gain access to the internal system, and these are often called interaction signature. Security specialists build a huge digital footprint database to assess established faults and attackers exploit habit for the future references. The artificial intelligence system is also in interaction to the site interaction in the period. If enormous library of fingerprints and infiltration patterns is obtainable, AI encoding is capable of scanning the full network for such vulnerabilities and thus advising to the bulk of typical form of assaults. Then, where can artificial intelligence be used in the cybersecurity? Um, these authors told um, the use of artificial intelligence already employed in the cybersecurity solution. One is to identify and stop undesirable spams. Gmail makes use of computing that is artificial intelligence. Gmail's computing was educated by the countless current Gmail users. Uh, Anytime user clicks to an email or not a spam, we are aiding in coaching the AI to notice spam within the future. Then fraud detection, artificial intelligence based fraud detection system that employs algorithm support expert shopper habits to spot dishonorable transaction through the Mastercard deploys decision intelligence. It examines the customer's normal purchasing pattern, the seller, the situation of transaction, and lot of alternative advanced algorithms to work out if an acquisition is uncommon. Then botnet detection. Botnet detection is sometimes supported pattern recognition and timely analysis of proxy server. The botnet are typically managed by the master script of direction. A wide-scale botnet assault can be typically embrace outsized range of users, all creating identical queries on the site in an exceedingly single attack. Then the drawbacks of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity. The benefits mentioned here represent simply a little portion of AI potential for the enhancing cybersecurity. However, like with everything, there are sure drawbacks of using artificial intelligence in this field. Like organization would want rather need more resource associated with money expenditures to develop and sustain the artificial intelligence system. Since AI system are taught using data sets, we may collect an outsized variety of various sets of malware codes, non-malicious code, and anomalies to coach our system. And furthermore, obtaining incorrect information from untrustworthy source may have a negative consequence. The very fact that hackers could utilize artificial intelligence to judge their software systems and conduct more and more refined assaults is another significant disadvantages. So the conclusion is this paper provide an analysis of artificial intelligence in addressing cybersecurity issues. The result of this study demonstrate the artificial intelligence is quickly becoming a must-have tool for improving the efficiency of information security team. Humans are no longer capable of securing the enterprise level attacks, and artificial intelligence provides a much needed analysis and threat detection that could utilized by security professionals. Some experts think that artificial intelligence will have detrimental impact on technology, while the others believe that artificial intelligence will have a significant positive impact on our life. Furthermore, artificial intelligence may assist in discovery and prioritization of risk, and the direction of incident response and the identification of malware or solved before they occur. As a result, even with its possible drawbacks, artificial intelligence will aid advanced cybersecurity and assist in businesses in developing a strong security postures. And these are my reference papers. Thank you, everyone.